Are you looking for the perfect whiskey gift this year? Then check this out. Beverage, a new company on the scene starting in 2021, aims to help consumers discover and connect with premium spirit brands in an entirely new way with their tasting kits. They currently have two kits available, the World Whiskies Kit and the American Single Malts Kit, both coming complete with 50 milliliter samples and the notes for each sample, all packaged up in beautiful Stranger and Stranger packaging. The World Whiskies Kit contains 5 samples of various whiskeys from around the world to include Scotch, Irish, American Single Malt, Bourbon, and Rye. The American Single Malts Kit contains 10 samples spanning 6 different distilleries. Both kits are set up perfectly for blind sample exploration and can be enjoyed by an individual or in small groups as the bottles contain enough to share amongst whiskey friends. They offer the perfect way to try whiskeys before making larger bottle purchases from your favorite liquor store, and may offer access to brands not currently on your local shelves. These non-subscription based kits make the perfect gift for the enthusiast as well as the explorer. So if you're looking for that perfect gift for your whiskey drinking friend or someone that's just getting into whiskey, look no further. Be sure to check out the 10% discount code in the description below, as well as a link to a full Scotch for Dummies review. Beverage did supply the kits for this video, although this is not a paid endorsement.